Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another YouTube video. We are here with part 2 of our pressure washer business. In this video, guys, we are going to be just finding a property to build our like company on, like our sheds and all of that. We can use to park our truck in and hopefully get some more people in our business here. We're gonna find hopefully a little small property. We don't need a big one to build this on. Um, we could actually use this field right here, actually, for what we need it for. The fair side, we don't need like the whole field, but or we could use the one over here. I think we're gonna probably go with this one. Cause it's a fair size, cause like we do have one all the way over here and here, but this one is our closest one we can use. But let's go with this one here, and then we'll be back when we get this built, guys. Okay, guys, here's we are back. Here's a good little update on how we're doing. This is what it looks like so far. We got this place right here that we can fix our vehicles up. We do have this like little shed thing we're using as our garage right now, cause we can store like stuff, our pressure washer on this side, our truck here, and something over here. We're gonna think of a little more, and then we'll be back to show you guys hopefully the final results. Okay, here we go. We are back. We got our walls up for when we pull in here. There's a few things we still need to fix here for like where the walls is here. So get these corners out of the way. We'll do it here right now, just to show you guys what we're using. We are using like the gravel. We don't need anything special for like I said, we don't need anything too special for this. I think that's good for there. I want to get this all out of here, guys. We're gonna do, hopefully disappear this. There we go, that should be good. And there's our walls all set up, guys. And one last thing we are going to put onto this. We're going to figure out some lights. I don't know how big we want them. I want them like maybe a fair, like not too big. It just really depends on how wide we want, like how tall we want these. Cause we could put them like on each side right here. I mean, if we are putting them on each side, guys. Ooh. Uh. One there and one here. in there. That should be good there, guys. Okay, let's pull in our truck here. This right here, we could not move out of the way. I guess we're just guess we're just keeping it. We have an in. No. Okay. We will have a in and a out with that sign there. Guess that's the only way. Now we could we have our own little yard here. I'm hoping we could get some other trucks and like different people helping me with this. Oh, there goes that sign. Oh, we got that sign out of the way. But yeah, that's on how we do it here, guys. We got like a fuel tank. I don't know. I don't know. Do we have any in here? Can we get some? Ooh. Well, we're filling that up. We're filling that up with some fuel. But yeah, with this guy, we are going to like get like one of those forklift things. With the pressure washer, we need to look that up on a forklift if we take it off and all that. But what we're going to do, we're just keeping it on for now. And then like when we go, we could take it off later on. I'll probably take it off like later. But now we have like our own little like yard type thing to like put our truck and all that. Oh, there we go. But yeah, it's not too bad what we did. Now we have like I said, a little garage area. We got our to fill up our vehicles, and we got the shed. I am probably gonna get some other like little like yard vehicles. Let's actually take a look at them now, guys. So we could actually get like a little yard type vehicle, like maybe something like this would work. Or we get like something like this. Like, I don't know. Like, something like this probably will work too. But what color do we put it? Do we have it like this blue color to match our truck? Or, because it could be like our little like yard vehicle. Let's do that. Let's grab it here, guys. And we I never drove this one yet in the game. To remind myself where we're going here, we're just a little down the road. Oh, we're way off here, guys. But like, even I wonder what this looks like, guys. It looks like one of those like e-bikes. That's what this looks like. Like, I don't know if it's just me, because look, it has like handles inside. Like, that's what it looks like. One of those like the e-bikes that look like a car. Well, yeah, this would work excellent for like a yard vehicle. Take that to where we have to go here. At least we're not like too far down the road. I am probably going to do like more like work here, guys. Like, I want to roll like the cornfield out and put like grass around, make it look nice around here. Yeah, now we got like a little yard vehicle. We'll load that up into the shed, just out of the, into like our little garage here, just out of the way. Like, we just don't want it to be in the way, like. There's like a little. There we go, guys. That's going to be it here, guys, for our video today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, leave a thumbs up on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you like videos like that. And we'll see you guys in the next one.